Hey guys and gals, Froggy here. This is my 2013 C6Z, and this is the left front wheel well, and I've got some 315 18 tires on 10-inch rims, and I've got a rub there, as you can see. Also a little bit there and there, a little bit there and there, mostly there. So I know if I space it out about a 1/4 inch, I'd have to put some longer studs in the front. I think that would work, and I could keep the 315 tires on there, maybe go to a 10.5 rim. However, for the meanwhile, have any of you guys and gals figured out a way to clearance this? It's sort of a law of physics, right? Two objects cannot occupy the same space at the same time, so I get that. Do aftermarket brake ducts, are they thinner in that area right there? Does anybody know that? Let me know if you guys have any ideas. Give me a thumbs up or like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And thank you. See you later, guys and gals. Froggy out. Bye. By the way, I did take a look at the back side of the rotor and the wheel bearing to see if you can pop these studs out without removing the corner. And I do not see a way where that can happen. You would take the caliper and take the rotor off and just have the bearing there, but I don't see there's any clearance on any of the 360 degrees where you can get it past the knuckle, so you have to take the knuckle off, in my opinion, to be able to change those studs up, for what it's worth.